Hi there, this is Mike again. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the new grades interface on Canvas. So um, most of the stuff that was there before is still there. It's just not as easy to find. So what we'll do is we'll look into it here. So I went to Canvas. I'm on grades right now. And some of the things that are different is these tabs over here were over here before, and things are just kind of like a different view. Most of the stuff is still there. So up here at the top, the gradebook. So if you click on one of these things, it can take you out of the gradebook to a different look, and then it's kind of hard to figure out how to get back. So I'd just leave that alone. Here you can sync everything to Synergy using the sync to SIS. And then import is really for importing grades from other types of things that can fit into a CSV file, for example, like grades from Edpuzzle or something. But it doesn't really work very well because Canvas is not very good at just integrating information. It has to be like in exactly their format, unlike School Loop, where you could just drag anything that you want in there, it would just figure it out. Canvas isn't like that, so importing is pretty hard. And then, of course, exporting. You can export a Excel copy of your gradebook right here, export entire gradebook. And if you do that, you'll know what I mean when I say that it's a little convoluted. There's a bunch of different codes and periods, and it's just kind of a mess. But to sort things out, with some of the things I've seen is people have had items in their gradebook that are from previous semesters. A lot of that has been ironed out, but some of it hasn't. And so basically what that has to do is the way that filters are applied. So if you look here, it says apply filters, and then you can put create and manage filters. You can go create filter preset. Okay. And what I've done is just change the start date and end date of the filter that goes with this gradebook to the beginning of this semester and then the end. So I would go August 31st is the first day, and then we could set this final day over here as January 26th. That's the last day of the semester. And what that'll do is it'll just give you the view from this semester in your gradebook. Of course, you do have to do that for every gradebook because each class is separate. But that's a way to use filters to just get the look that you want. There are also standard filters like these. So the start and end date would be the one that you would want in order to get everything else out of your gradebook and just the grades that you're submitting for the semester. Why it's not working, I don't know. Canvas is a weird program, and it can be a little bit inconsistent. But using these filters, you should be able to get the look that you want. If you can't, go ahead and email me.